May peace exist in this town today by existing in all of our hearts today. May peace exist in the world through existing in everybody and every place today. And may unconditional love and the frequency, energy, and vibration of love be in everybody's heart today for the upliftment of the entire planet and every family and every person and every living being. May we all use our special and unique gifts and recognize our own talents so that we can share with one another with happiness and peace for the happiness and upliftment and nurturing and better life of one another and all of us together. May we work as a team instead of competing. May we work as a team to help each other out so we can all have support, feel supported and have support and complement each other's lives and lighten each other's lives through working as a team and using our unique gifts and caring for everybody. May we all recognize and understand our own triggers and hurts from the past so we can work on healing each and helping each other to heal and to let go of the hurt and pain instead of projecting and blaming our past triggers onto one another, which only causes more pain. So let us let go of all that sort of stuff and heal and process and integrate. So as of one planet and even one cosmos, all living beings, microorganisms, mineral elements in nature, insects, animals, humans and other life forms can all live happily ever after together. May we be a team united together, caring, loving and uplifting one another. And may we do this ourselves by embodying this frequency today for ourselves. And let us have a happy day that has a lot of lightness and fun and love and laughter in it together also. Thank you so much, all of life and all of nature, for giving us our home and having our life today. Because every day ain't granted, guys and girls. What a beautiful little message, eh? I just said that prayer before making the video and it came in more perfect in my prayer, but it just sort of came to me, you know.